Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fresh Bites. In this video I'm going to be making thin and crispy wheat flour dosa. These dosas can be made instantly and it tastes divine when served with red chilli chutney. In this video I'll also show you how to make the red chilli chutney in a simple way. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Let's begin our preparation. I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of rice flour and half cup of suji or rava. Add the wheat flour into the bowl. Now I'm going to add the rice flour and suji. Mix them. Let's begin adding the water. I'm going to add 1 cup of water at a time and make a thick batter. Ensure there is no lumps. Now I'm going to add the second cup of water and stir them. As you stir, the water is going to be absorbed. Now the batter is still thick. I'm going to add the third cup of water and keep mixing them well. I have added 3 cups of water so far. We'll close this batter and let this sit for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll start preparing the red chilli chutney. For the chutney, I have taken 10 numbers of Kashmiri chilli. This will give a nice bright red color. If you don't have it, you can use the normal chilies in 7 numbers. And I'm also adding 3 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt later to your taste. I'm going to grind this. Now you can see it has become a powder. To this I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and grind them again to a fine paste. Chutney is almost ready. The final step is to prepare the seasoning. Heat the oil in a pan. You'll need 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now the oil is hot. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Wait for it to splutter. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Few curry leaves and half teaspoon of hing. Now switch off the flame and pour this hot oil into the chutney and stir them. Stir them well. The raw smell has to go and the chutney will change its color. It's been 10 minutes. The rava and the flour has absorbed some water, so I'm adding another half glass of water. The batter has to be in this flowing consistency, only then you will get crispy dosa. I'm going to add half cup of chopped onions, finely chopped coriander and curry leaves, one teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and finally 3 teaspoons of salt. Mix everything well and let's start making the dosa. Keep the flame on a medium high and wait for the tawa to get hot. You can check this by sprinkling few drops of water and it has to get evaporated immediately. Stir the batter and pour it from 3 to 4 inches height on the tawa in a circular motion, starting from the edges to the center. Pour 2 teaspoons of oil. The small gaps here and there will make the dosas crispy. Stir the batter well before making each dosa to maintain the consistency. Once the dosa turn brown in color, it starts separating from the pan. Now you can flip the dosa. Allow the other side to cook for another 2 minutes. And now it's time to transfer them to the serving plate. The crispy wheat flour dosa is ready to be eaten with the chutney. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe.